Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today I'm unboxing my bag from Apple. So I decided that for music creation and editing I need new system, which will be pretty much just for that cause. So I bought Magic Mouse, the Magic Keyboard, and already opened Mac Mini. The tech on it, it's pretty much the base of the base. 256 gigabytes slow, one chip of SSD, 8 gigabyte of unified memory, and M2 chip, which on all M2 Mac Minis is 10 GPU cores and 8 core CPU. Yeah, let's get it. Let's try to see. Let's start with Mac Mini. Okay. Ooh, damn, it looks good. It looks good. Look at this. Okay, Mac Mini on the bottom. Made in China. Okay, these were the European version I got. I guess it's made in China. We have two USB-C Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, two USB-A's, audio headphone, Ethernet jack as we see the compared Apple coolers, like bigger cooler, bigger grill, and power cable. You know what I thought? I thought it would be good so that the Mac Mini, when you buy, it should include the HDMI cable. But, you know, it is what it is. Let's put it to the side. What do we get? Here we got one silver sticker, user guide, and pretty much how to set up user guide. Nope, I really don't need that. It's not the first Mac, but the last Mac I owned was more than 1 year ago. I owned M2 Pro, M1 Pro 16-inch Mac, and we have power cable. Good. It's good that it's only paper, really. It's really sustainable. Okay, this little small cable. Cool. Okay, so it was that. Let me throw this out. Let's leave that in. Let's close the box. Just put it to the back. Now let's unbox the Magic Mouse. I remember I used to have a lot of Magic Mouses. Jesus Christ. The first Mac I bought, it was 2004 iMac 20 inches. It was so good. Damn. It was different time. There was no SSD. Yeah. And people still created. That's cool. Let's take on the plastic. And voila, we have our little mouse where you can charge it at the bottom. And for some reason, something hidden there. Oh no, that was just Apple Incorporation, Apple Parkway, Cupertino, CA95014 USA. Cool. Okay. Maybe we're gonna get cable at least, or that's it. Yes, we're gonna have braided charging cable. Cool. Yes. It's the user guide. On off switch, lightning port, rename your mouse. Okay, let's put it to the side. Let's look at the braided cable. So get lightning and USB-C. Cool. Never saw this braided cable. Maybe it's not gonna break, so easy. And of course I'm gonna charge from the Mac Mini, which is awesome. Okay, that was that. Let's just put it to the side. How it was I think like that, and like that, and then like this. Okay. And now put the braided cable to the side, put a mouse to the side, and now let's just unbox our keyboard. Now this one, I remember in 2005 and 2006, almost each year, I was I was actually eating near my iMac, or when I was creating, I was like eating, and I was pouring water on the keyboard, and there was that so many times. I think I changed, like, I don't know. Now this is interesting unboxing experience. You see, you pull a tab and it goes out with the keyboard. I bought the most simple keyboard, just simple, even without the Touch ID, with a simple password. Okay, let's open the keyboard. Nice, it's so small actually. I wish this keyboard served me well. Sorry for the sound of my child, but you know, I can't do anything about it. It's good that she's happy and she's screaming. It's better than she's crying. Okay, what else? Also, paper. Super good. Also braided cable. So now I have two braided lightning USB-C cables. I think I'm gonna charge my iPhone with this cable. Then. Okay, what's there? Okay, the warranty, regulatory compliance information. That's not too important for us, but we can see how to update your software. Then mission control, spotlight, activate dictation for Siri, do not disturb on and off, rewind, mute, switch to different keyboard, or show emoji options. That's very useful because we type Lithuanian, and in Lithuanian there's such letters that there's no way how to type them. I guess a lot of you guys really know this already. Recharge battery. Nice. Okay, so that was just the unboxing. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a few tests of running the game with low power mode, without low power mode, how does it affect, and so on. And as y'all know, this has 10 core GPU, so with low power mode, even though we're using not a lot of power, actually we use 10 core GPUs, all 10 cores of the GPUs. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna upload a few game demos, Resident Evil Village, low power mode versus full power mode. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about these systems, you have opportunity to get video out of me. If you have any questions, ask. I'll be happy to answer them. So that was MTP Tech. Thank you and bye.